Welcome to this 5th Fusion 360 training video. This one will be dedicated to circular patterns. These are used to create repetitions of designs around an axis. As an example, we'll use circular patterns to create a design covering for a tube-shaped box. Let's start by sketching on the XY plane for the base of our box. Create a large circle for the box diameter, and on its perimeter, a small circle that will serve as a model for the box's exterior covering. This is where we'll use the circular pattern. It must include a shape and a rotation point. Here, the circle will rotate around the central point. Let's select the small circle and click on Circular Pattern. Now, we just need to increase the number of shapes to cover the entire exterior of the circle with more or less overlap for an aesthetic result. Let's now exit the sketch creation by selecting it. Once out of the edit mode, create an extrusion to the desired height. We'll now create a sketch on top of our volume to extrude the inside of the box and the lid junction. For this, I create a new sketch and select the top of the volume. I create a circle for the outer diameter and a circle for the junction. I extrude by hollowing out the body to the desired height. After the extrusion, I need to redisplay the previously created sketch via the Explorer. Then I extrude the junction upwards. For the box lid, I'll copy the base. To do this, I select the hole, then click on Move Copy. I activate the copy and slide the newly created body. I now extrude the female part of the junction towards the inside of the lid, and I move my lid to position it above, proceeding like this. The next step will be assembling the two parts to ensure everything works correctly. Assembly tools will be covered in detail in a future video, but here's a preview of what we can do. An assembly can only be done with distinct components. We must therefore separate the two created bodies into two components. To do this, simply right-click on the body and select Create Components from Bodies. Best practice is to name our components correctly. Moreover, the name will be used to generate spare parts lists for complex machines. To assemble our two components, we'll create a joint between the base and the lid. The joint won't be fixed, but rather a slide. So select Slide in the Motion tab and the two surfaces that will be in contact. If we now take the piece, we see it translates well. The remaining problem is that the two pieces can pass through each other. We'll need to activate the contacts. Select the two bodies and in the Assemble menu, click on Activate Contacts. The two volumes are now blocked once they're against each other. Thank you for following this video. Don't hesitate to come back for more Fusion 360 tutorials and continue exploring your creativity in 3D modeling. See you soon!